Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Revolut to your US bank account, detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw funds from your Revolut account to your US bank account, start by opening the Revolut app on your mobile device. Log in using your registered email address and password. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Accounts tab at the bottom of the screen. Here, you will see your balance displayed in various currencies. Select the currency you wish to withdraw, typically USD for US bank accounts. Next, tap on the Withdraw option. You will now see a list of linked bank accounts. If you haven't linked your US bank account yet, tap on Add Account to start the process. Follow the prompts to enter your bank account details, including your account number and routing number. Make sure to double-check that all information is accurate to avoid any delays. Once your bank account is linked, return to the Withdraw section. Input the amount you wish to withdraw. After entering the amount, select your linked US bank account from the list. Confirm all the details of your withdrawal. You may be prompted to complete additional security verification. If required, follow the security steps as instructed. Once your verification is complete, tap on Confirm to process the withdrawal. You will receive a notification once the withdrawal has been initiated. Generally, it may take a few business days for the funds to appear in your bank account. Keep an eye on your bank account for the incoming transfer. If you encounter any issues during the process, you can contact Revolut's customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.